All right, so where are we going? Y'all want snacks?
Yeah.
So you know, say my vlogger. Hello. Oh my goodness, that's juicy patty. All right. How much for a juicy patty?
I want patty.
$400.
I want patty.
All right. You want patty?
Yeah.
You want patty? You want patty? $400.
I want patty.
Oh no. What?
Mommy, I want big
Ah,
patty.
okay. We pass juicy beef and come back beef.
I
All right.
want big patty.
2 beef patties. What you want? Listen, no, I should be thinking I say no one patty, no one something else. A cheese patty. Oh yeah, give me a chicken one. Me eat a beef one since me come. We pass juicy beef and go buy $400 patty. Y'all only want snacks for the. This is mine. Yeah. Give me this one. This is mine.
So yeah, like patty and then snacks.
And this are for me. And Zuri wants a beef one. Just add it and get some snacks in the bag.
Okay.
And then yeah, and no other way no want. Yeah. The horse is out there. You know what those horses for? They race race horse?
Mommy, look down.
Oh, they're thoroughbred. Okay. It's not donkey, sweetheart, it's horses.
Horse.
Yes, it's not
Mommy,
donkeys.
can I go say hi to the horse?
What?
Can I go say hi to the horse?
You wanna go say hi to the horse? Do you think the horse will understand you? And tell you hi back?
Horses can't talk. I'm just gonna say hi to them.
Oh, what? No, you can't go across the road. You have to wait until, yeah? I can make, you have to wait because it's the road and you don't want a car to hit you, okay?
But there's no more cars.
Yeah, but you still have to wait on me, alright?
I can take sideways.
You can't go by yourself.
Why?
Let's go to the beach.
What you eat the patty over there on the chairs?
Somebody want cheese? You want cheese on
Mommy, can I eat my patty?
Can I get one of those fruit and not fruit fusion? Thank you.
Here.
So you also want a cheese? When you're done, I don't get no problem. You give me one cheesies here. Because we buy bad. A long time I not see far away, you know. Far away.
Here. Cheesies.
Yes, that is it. That is it. Mommy, you need a calculator, man. One by your phone. Oh, Lord. I'm going to add up with our paper and our pen. You don't take any juice, Angela? Okay.
Can I eat mine?
$2,350.
Can I eat my patty?
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. Can I want to eat?
What kind of juice them they not buy?
A power and a juice.
Why no one buy that?
Power.
And a young pitney girl, no?
They don't know say ranking them.
Eh?
They don't know say ranking them.
No give them no porridge there, miss.
Come on, make up your mind.
Give Alright, so give me one cranberry juice. Ocean or cranberry.
Juice or water.
That the ocean spray one, right? And might as well take thing or something.
You have tea? Give me tea.
But
If you have tea.
although a soda them there still, but I mean
Alright, you want she want this.
yes,
Sorry, baby.
yeah.
You want this? No tea?
Yeah.
You want this?
No, they're not drinking it. Don't put this on it.
Other flavor? I don't.
See if you can.
Almond juice.
Yes, I'm gonna get you a drink.
I don't have some this one.
So you want 2 things?
One.
Yeah, just give it 2. Yes.
I give me one tropics. One tropics for that one, yeah. Yeah, well, it over there, so.
I have no culture.
Orange juice, any juice?
So you stay on.
Or you say you don't want a party and not eat out the picnic party?
Orange juice.
Yeah, that's not good. And a water. And that's it. That's it, the orange juice. You have to wait. Alright. Alright, thank you. You have any bag, please? No badge?
Look if you find.
We can put them in this side.
Oh yeah, it's alright, mommy. No worry yourself.
Mommy, let's go over together with the horse.
What you want to do with the horse?
I want to say hi to the horse.
You soon get to say hi.
1,600.
3,600. Hold on there. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you.
No problem. Thank you, Mama. Yeah. Isn't she cute?
Mom, let's go look at the horseshoe.
Welcome to Wildfall, Jamaica. Do not bring alcohol, smoke, play music, play ball game.
Let's go look at the horseshoe.
Wait, Angela.
Bird. See what bird.
Come. You're not afraid the horse kick you? Aren't you afraid you get kicked by the horse?
No, I
Just say hi, go.
Hi, horsey.
Oh my, that one is bleeding.
Which one?
See him at the back there? He has an injury. See him right there?
Oh, you mean that one?
Yeah. Be careful. You want to go a little bit closer?
Hi, horsey.
What this ugly blackbird want now?
Hey.
Is your patty him want? I Zuri, it's
I don't
alright.
want him to eat my patty.
He's not gonna eat your patty. Oh my goodness, that one is sick. What's happened to his feet?
Maybe I have to hurry up and eat this.
It's okay, no worries. You just feed you all that.
I'm not afraid of. I am not afraid of the horse Gimme. I'm not afraid of the horse Gimme.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. Wait. There's a car coming, but we can beat it. We're going now.